When I close my eyes, I see your face, a memory that doesn't fade away. I wish I could remove you from my mind. I wish I could remove you from my mind. And now you say, oh, I can't succeed. You're here to stay. I've tried always. I didn't mean to feel away. You're not around anywhere. I tried to be what I feel. And now you say, oh, I can't succeed. Guess we did have some good times back then, and all those memories that stayed the same. You told me what that I saw buried. You said you loved me without even ring. And now you say, oh, I can't succeed.